Hello guys, so today I'm going to be trading the FOMC. As you can see, I have the Forex Factory, and we can see that in 5 minutes the federal funds rate is going to be released. It is expected to not be cut. It's going to remain the same, which is of course negative because it's going to mean that money will be expensive for longer. So we can see the negative effect of that, how the market's dropped the whole day. And I'm going to be placing some trades, some shorts. Right now I am on the micros. I'm not using the standard contracts because of course I'd be losing so much money if it went against me. Like, I cannot accept that much money lost. You know, I always preach to be happy with how much you're going to lose. And right now today we are happy to lose around $200 to $300, and I'm hoping to get around the same amount. So I'd be expecting them to sweep this low right here. There's this low that I'm expecting them to sweep. As we can see, we are doing that right now. So I'd be looking to add onto the trade as it's moving down, so that I can profit even more. We can just see how many contracts they've transacted in this area. You can see 14,000, 13,000, 12. This is some large amount of contracts. We can see that this is the current point of control, where they have transacted most amount of contracts on the DOM. And here we can see that they're about to change it if they can transact 500 contracts more, which means that value is shifting lower, which is gonna in turn make people believe that it's time to sell. So I would be aiming for Nasdaq to hit this 19,800 because it's a whole number, and then possibly make its way down to this maybe yesterday low. We're gonna see how quickly it's gonna drop. So the expectation of interest rates being the same is because the tariffs are still a problem. There is not really any there's not any reason for them to cut. And the labor market is doing great. There are no layoffs. The money is being moved around. People are spending money. So of course no reason for them to cut it. So of course market is going to take that as a negative because they will remain the same. So let's see if we can exploit that move to the downside, that sharp drop. So I kind of missed the move. I wanted to build some shorts from the tops here at the 50 MA, but I kind of missed them. But as we can see, maybe we can still catch some more movement to the downside. I can see there is more selling right here on them buying on the meters. So we are just basically stuck at this falling profile on the S&P and on the Nasdaq as well. So it's 2.5 minutes till the results get released. So we'll see how fast they will move. It's going to be very fast. Not really trying to risk any big amounts of money, as I said at the start. So yeah, let's just wait. Let's just wait and see what happens. So some people would say that this is gambling, but I don't really see it as gambling. You see something that's happening in the market and people see it as negative and you go short. Simple as. So of course you can see how fast it's moving up and down. Market likes to, it's preparing for the move. People are now placing orders 1 minute before the actual news come out. They want to get filled. But you can see just how light the contracts are. Like look at this, 2, 8, 6 in the middle of the New York session is because no one's trading this. People are scared to trade. And of course bigger firms don't really practice the idea of trading when such big news come out. So that's why these assets can cover so much ground in such a short period of time. It's because no one is picking up those contracts and they can easily drop it down and up. So it's a very easy zone to manipulate. So let's see, 50 seconds left. 50 seconds left. Let's see. We're gonna reset the meters. to know who is winning, sellers or buyers. So they are still at my entry, so nothing really changed. Nothing too concerning. 30 seconds left. You will see how fast they will drop down. Just watch. Just like that. You won't be able to even see where the price is going. Look at how fast it's moving. Okay, so the news come out. You can see how big of a candle it moved up. And then it immediately moved back down. Nasdaq's dropping, good. S&P is following. There's the drop, nice. Then it comes back up. Let's see. Will they drop down? So yeah, as expected, the rates remain the same. So it's not really a shock. People expected this. But of course it's negative to the market because money is expensive. So I'll be looking to place some shorts at this 50 MA, at the 69 zone. So right around here. You can place one short there, one up here. Can we get filled? That's a nice drop. Can I see some selling right here on the S&P to suggest a move lower? Hold on, I need to do something real quick. I need to put this to 30 right now. I'm gonna build some shorts from the top here. If they do manage to go up. I'm gonna put it to 10 now. There we go. So let's see. I'm looking for that sweep up to then drop down. There's the move up. Okay, we're getting filled. So I'm gonna place some shorts on the S&P as well. So we can close this. We don't need it. We're gonna reset the meters now. S&P is dropping. Nasdaq trying to drop. We can see there is more selling than buying. That's great. Can I see a move down? Come on. So I would expect them to sweep these lows down here if they do pick up speed. Because I've seen this before. They don't like what they see. They kind of manipulate the market to the upside to make people believe, yeah, it's gonna go up. And then before the FOMC meeting, they just turn price to the downside and they don't stop until the FOMC comes on. So we might be getting that right now. We can see prices dropping. That's a fast drop. Nice. $80 profit. Profit on the S&P as well. Can we add on a short? We're going to add some more shorts. Adding shorts on the S&P as well as it's moving down. $100 profit. Can I see some more movement? Come on. We can still see more selling on Nasdaq than buying. Come on, give me that sweep down. We can see some selling here, 63, 25, 74. Bars are being overwhelmed. Come on, give me that sweep down. Still waiting. There it is. I need to see it be more aggressive. There is still more selling than buying on both contracts, which is good. There's the move, come on. A lot of selling on the AS. Let's see how the 1 minute time frame is looking. So yeah, it looks like they rejected this 50 MA and now they're dropping. There we go, 200 profit. Very good, still seeing some sells on the S&P. Can we drop? There's the move. $300 profit, beautiful. $100 profit on the S&P. Still seeing some selling, is picking up steam. Can we see some more? I'm aiming for these 800s. This will be my profit target, $400. Can we see it? Come on, sweep. Come on, it's very close. Come on, don't move up now. I'm tempted to close the trade right now. Okay, I'm gonna close the trade. Beautiful trade. I'm gonna let S&P do its thing because it carries less weight. There's the move, beautiful move. I'm gonna take one contract off. There's the sweep of the lows. There we go. That's exactly what I expected. Beautiful move. There we go. There's the sweep. Kinda missed out on a big move. Kinda feel bad, but at least I'm still in the shorts on the S&P. Wow, that's a big drop. Wow. Beautiful trade. I'm gonna take one contract off again. Maybe leave one runner to go do its thing. It's still dropping. Wow, look at that. Oh my. Beautiful drop. I did not expect it to drop so much. Wow, nice. Still dropping. I'm just trailing my stop as it's dropping. Just locking in those profits. You can see how much selling there is compared to buying. There's the drop. Beautiful. Wow. Trailing my stop again. Still dropping. It's still dropping. Okay, so I'm in one more short or two more contracts short. One more contract. Should I let this one go, guys? Just let it do its thing. Just put it at break even to see just how much we can go to the downside more. But I don't like to be greedy. I like to pay myself. I mean, I already made like $700, so do I need some more? I mean, of course, it's never enough. Let's see. Still dropping, $100 profit. The sells are still dominating. Nasdaq still dropping. You can see S&P is following suit. Trying to go up. You see how it pumps up to go down? You see those pumps? It pumps. Rewind the video and see what they did here. How they go up then down. Up, down, up, down. And they can't really break that high. Then it drops down. Beautiful move. 290 right here on the bid. Then it got pulled. Now it's 190. Still seeing more selling than buying. Still seeing more sells. You see, goes up, down, down, down. You just have to follow those little tails. Nice move down. Beautiful. I'm probably gonna take the profits now. Yeah, $150. Damn, beautiful move. So yeah, that's exactly why experience wins you money in trading sometimes, because, or most of the times, I just know these things like to happen before the FOMC. I know the interest rates will stay the same. I know it's negative to the market. Market doesn't like that. And I know even though it came out as projected, the interest rates stayed the same. People don't like that. Before the FOMC conference, they dropped down. So that's the logic that I played. We saw this 50 MA acting as a resistance. We didn't get stopped out on this fake move up. We stayed in the trade. Why? Because we used less size. And when you use less size and you know how much you're prepared to lose, you can do anything in trading. You know, you're unstoppable because you can focus on what the market is telling you and you're not focused on how much you're winning or losing. It doesn't matter. What matters is execution. And this right here is a prime example of what execution looks like. You can notice how calm I was, even though I was winning. I don't care how much I'm winning or losing. What I care about is my edge. Can I execute my edge at that time? And my experience in these kinds of situations told me that yes, I can execute my edge, and I did, and I profited. I paid myself, and that's it. So yeah, guys, that was a bit of a rant. There is much more to come. This is just the beginning of my YouTube channel. If you guys are interested, I have made much more videos like this on the channel. You can watch live trades where I'm just trading the DOM. I'm just watching the orders come in real time. This aftermarket is called Jigsaw Day Trader. You guys have a code in the description if you guys are looking to buy this DOM. It's very useful. It's super useful. I can't trade without it. You can see just how useful it is. How you can read the market orders coming in real time. How quickly I can exit and add onto the trades. It's an awesome tool. It never let me down. I love them. I've been trading with this tool for like 3 years almost. So yeah. Hope you guys enjoyed this one. And I'll see you guys in the next one.